out on the fire escape. This is like New York City goals, okay? What's up, guys? It's Future Diera here, hopping on very briefly to let you guys know that the new Wildly Written Doing Big Good collection has dropped. It's live on the site right now, wildlywritten.com. Every single purchase from the Doing Big Good collection will help to support a good cause. So I hope that you guys will take a moment to head on over, shop, and support. And just so you know, they come in sizes extra small to 2XL. Definitely share it with a friend, and when you make your order, share it with me at wildly.written on Instagram. And yeah, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog because it's a good one. All right, until next time. What's up, guys? It's Diera. I'm back with another video, and today we're vlogging. This is going to be the beginning of the New York vlogs. You guys, my friend Alex has moved to New York, and I am so incredibly happy for him, but also just proud because this is something he's wanted to do for a long time. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick apartment tour. Oh, it's so stinking cute. So we're currently in the kitchen. Look at this exposed brick. Yes, stainless steel appliances. Oh, we love to see it. I have an all white bathroom. It's me. Okay. And then look at this. We actually have a living room, and it's a 2-bedroom. Look at this gorgeous lighting. He's gonna redo this. Yes. Uber closet space. I love the double doors. And then guys, this is my room. Oh my goodness. And I'm just so incredibly happy for him. How beautiful. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna be helping him bring a few things upstairs, and so I'm gonna check in with you guys on the rest of today. But give this video a thumbs up because we're proud of our friends doing big things and fulfilling their dreams and just allowing God to bless them in ways they could only dream of, you know, that they never imagined would happen so soon. I'm so happy for him, y'all. Good morning, guys. It is another day back at the chateau where we are moving to Harlem. I'm including myself because I'm gonna be the guest. I'm gonna be their first guest at the Harlem apartment. But we've got Dunkin'. Dunkin' low-key needs to sponsor us. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Hi, guys.
Dunkin' brought to you by Kevin. We've got a matcha latte with coconut milk, and then we've got omelets. So let's see what this looks like. I've never tried their veggie omelet. So fancy. A croissant. Why did I learn that Porsche is Porsche?
Oh yeah, you know that?
I mean, for the culture.
Yeah.
Porsche.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, this looks so yummy. I didn't realize it was like how people name their daughter Alexis, you know?
What?
Lexus.
Yeah.
Come on, somebody.
I cannot.
Grand Rising. Time
Thank
for
you.
breakfast. Thank you, Kevy Kev. Cheers to you guys for being amazing, and I will check in with y'all a little later today.
Yeah, like, go ahead, drink it out the cup now.
I had to hop back on. I had to hop back on because this is so good. It's the veggie omelet with white cheddar.
Yes.
On a croissant. Dunkin', things you did. Delicious. Do y'all see me? A sweaty mess. This isn't even as bad as it was, child. What are friends for? Help your friends move, they say. It'll be fun, they say. We got a 20-store walk up. Child, we made it. We finished and we have all the goods. I didn't take y'all through the moving process because honestly, it was a lot. We have all the goods. We're inside. And this lighting is impeccable. We got the brick wall in the back. We love to see it, guys. I know this vlog has been very jumpy, but basically we're here and we're gonna start, I guess, unloading stuff, cleaning. But I'm just here to help, so we'll see what we get into a little later. But I will definitely check back in. So let me cool off. See you in a bit. Y'all, let me tell you, everybody talks about the New York dream. Having like a 1,000,000 stair walk up is, it's not for the faint of heart. Get out of here. We're getting ready to go and get some food. So hopefully I can find something vegetarian. Please wish me luck, darling. Wish me luck. I'm giving you New York City apartment vibes. We've got our pizza.
You can sit on the back.
Time to eat. Makeshift seating in
That's the one that we
here.
have in our room. No, that we can sit on. That's a floor pillow.
No, I was about to say, don't give me anything without y'all bed.
No.
Yeah,
You can leave the back on it.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, just leave it with the back.
Here's your prize.
I got fries on mine.
You mean
I ordered you prize.
Oh, okay.
That's yours.
I don't really care about food. I'm on my cheese.
Harlem pizzas.
Is that right? Where do you get pizza from?
That's a
Give me what's supposed to be good.
That pizza place right next door, that brick oven, that brick place.
Where we going with that?
I bought Dixie cups, man. I'm
That
saying.
looks good.
Awesome.
I want some of your fries, Kevin.
Don't forget the fries.
Y'all, this pizza is delicious. We are a family of, what, 5 today? It's a full house and it's all hands on deck. We finally got everything upstairs. It's time to address some
Which
food.
fries quick? What'd you get? You put ketchup on it?
No.
Hey guys! Look at us! Out on the fire escape. This is like New York City goals, okay? Having a fire escape next to a beautiful park. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Also, they have views from the other windows too, and like the sky right now is breathtaking. I wanted to quickly just hop on and remind you guys of how important it is to celebrate your friends' wins. When my friends win, I'm rooting for them like it was my win, okay? Because when they win, I do win in essence, because I'm connected to such a beautiful and deserving soul that is stepping into blessings left and right. Like, that stuff is contagious, okay? But yeah, I'm just so excited for my friend and I hope they love this place. Y'all, you hear the honking, you know you're in New York City when you hear all the honks. But he has wanted to live in New York and move from New Jersey for so long, and he finally did it. And this is your reminder that if there's something you've been thinking about doing for a long time, go for it. Absolutely go for it. Pull the trigger on your dreams Get them out of limbo. Go for it, because you know what? Tomorrow isn't promised, guys. It's absolutely not promised. But I just want to check in. I'm literally about to enjoy this until the sun sets, and we're showering and possibly gonna set up some furniture. This was about me just spending quality time and helping assist with the move, but this wasn't me coming to like party and show out. At least I did that in the Hamptons. So if you guys haven't seen that vlog, I will definitely link it above. Yeah, y'all. New York City living, baby. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button because it helps me out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.